All right, guys, combo of the night. Okay, it's a 5-punch combo. Okay, we're standing in front of it. Okay, the first punch is all right, guys, combo of the night. This is going to be a 5-punch combo. Okay, so we're standing in front of the wall brawl. The combo is going to be jab, cross, left hook to the head. You're going to drop down, right hook to the body, stand up, left hook to the head. So again, jab, cross, hook, and the jab, cross, you're just padding it. Okay, it's like a light setup for the hook. Boom, boom, hook, drop down, right hook to the body, left hook to the head. All right, let's go. We're gonna do it 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Again, jab, cross, hook, right hook to the body, left hook to the head. Make sure you're keeping your form, keeping your angle, and make sure you're balanced, punching through your target, and flowing with your combos. All right. So yeah. So combo of the night, 5-punch combo. You guys have questions, leave a comment below and pick up your wall brawl at polyboxing.com.